Hello viewers, follow through as I work out question 1 from a 2023 grade 12 internal math paper 2, which has two parts. Part A reads, express 2 over 3m minus 2 minus 1 over 2m minus 3 as a single fraction in its lowest terms. So this part has 3 marks. Then B, solve the equation 3x squared plus 13x minus 7 equal to 0, giving your answers correct to 2 decimal places. So this part has 5 marks. So starting with the first part, A, express 2 over 3m minus 2 minus 1 over 2m minus 3 as a single fraction in its lowest terms. So we are going first of all to write the question given. So to work out this one, first of all, we will get the common denominator for the fractions given. So if we look at the denominators, 3m minus 2 and 2m minus 3, so these will multiply. These will multiply to give us the common denominator. Now, for the common denominator, all we just do is show that the denominators are multiplying to give us the common denominator. So 3m minus 2 is multiplying with 2m minus 3. So this here is our common denominator. Now we divide the denominator 3m minus 2 into 3m minus 2 2m minus 3. So 3m minus 2 simplifies with 3m minus 2, giving us 2m minus 3, which is going to multiply with 2. So 2m minus 3. Then 2m minus 3 into 3m minus 2, 2m minus 3. 2m minus 3 simplifies with 2m minus 3, giving us 3m minus 2, which will multiply with negative 1. Open bracket, 3m minus 2. Then we multiply multiplying gives 2 times 2m, this gives 4m. 2 times negative 3, this gives negative 6. Then negative 1 times positive 3m, this gives negative 3m. Then negative 1 times negative 2, this gives positive 2. Then the denominator 3m minus 2, 2m minus 3. We collect like terms. Collecting like terms will give us 4m minus 3m, then negative 6 plus 2. Then we work out the like terms. 4m minus 3m. 4m minus 3m gives us m. So this is just m. Then negative 6 plus 2. Negative 6 plus 2, here we get negative 4. We keep the sign of the larger term and subtract. So 6 take away 2 gives 4. And keeping the sign of the larger term, we have negative here. Then we write 3m minus 2, 2m minus 3. So this here is our solution for the first part. Then going to B, solve the equation 3x squared plus 13x minus 7 equal to 0, giving your answers correct to 2 decimal places. So first of all, I'll start with writing the question given on B. The equation is 3x squared plus 13x minus 7 equal to 0. So for us to find the solutions to this equation, first of all, we have to identify A, B, and C from the equation given. So what is A? A is the coefficient of x squared, which in this case is 3. Then B is the coefficient of x, which is 13. Then C is a constant, in this case -7. Then working with the formula is x equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over everything over 2a. So what we just do now is substitute. On b, we are going to put 13. Plus or minus. Then b square, this is 13 square, minus 4. A is 3. Then C is -7. So there's multiplication here. Then over. So below we're going to have 2a, which is 2 times 3. Then this is going to give us x equal to, so this is -13 plus or minus 13 square. 13 square gives us 169. So we're going to have 169 here. Then -4 times 3 times -7. This gives a positive 84. So we add this. Two times 3, this gives a 6. So adding what we have in the square root here will give us the following. So 169 plus 84. 169 plus 84 gives 253. So we're going to have 253 in the square root. Everything over 6. So what we're now going to do is find the square root of 253. So the square root of 253 is 15.90597372. So everything dividing by 6. So here we cannot divide 6 into any of these numbers. So first of all, we need to add and subtract. So we are going to first of all add -13 plus 15.90597372 and also subtract -13 minus 15.90597372 and then divide later on. So this will give us the following. So adding -13 plus 15.90597372 gives us the following. This will give us, adding what we have, will give us positive 2.90597372. Then now we divide by 6. Dividing by 6 will give us the following. X equal to 0.48. So this one is a rounded off value, correct to 2 decimal places, 0.48. So this is for the addition. Then for the subtraction, what we're going to get is the following: x equal to negative 13 minus 15.90597372 divided by 6. So the subtraction here gives us negative 28.90597372. This is dividing with 6. So the final answer for this one will be x equal to, so when 6 goes into negative 28.90597372, it gives the number negative 4.82. So this one also is correct to 2 decimal places. So this means that the two values are, the first one we got is 0.48. This is correct to 2 decimal places, or the next one we have gotten here is negative 4.82. So these are the two values for the quadratic equation: 3x squared plus 13x minus 7 equal to 0. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be solving more questions in paper 2 at grade 12. So look out for the solutions to those questions. Thank you so much.